You're watching Max Talks. It's day 2 of the Paris Motor Show, and behind me, behind all the people, is the MG Cyberster. We didn't get a chance to see it at Everything Electric, so we've got one here, so let's go check it out.
MG is starting to make waves in the UK with the Cyberster, a bold electric roadster that brings a fresh take on their classic sports car heritage. Designed with an eye-catching futuristic look, the Cyberster is a low-slung two-seater convertible, inspired by such cars such as the MGB and the TF Roadster. It feels like a bold step for the brand, better known for its budget SUVs, and will compete with the new electric Porsche Boxster when that lands sometime next year. Powering this innovation is a 77 kWh battery connected to either a single motor 335 horsepower drivetrain or a dual motor 536 horsepower setup in the top spec model, giving an impressive 0 to 60 time of around 3 seconds. MG promises a range that will comfortably manage the daily grind and still offer exciting weekend drives. Expect a range of around about 300 miles per charge. The Cyberster's interior complements its exterior flair with a driver-focused cockpit, sporting a unique digital interface with 3 screens and contrasting bucket seats. MG has designed the interior to be as driver-centric as possible, with everything pointing towards them. In terms of delivery, the Cyberster has just started landing in dealers, with pricing starting at $54,995, making it a tempting offer against other petrol sports cars like the Boxster, the Alpine A110, and massively undercutting the Lotus Emira. MG seems set on offering a thrilling yet accessible EV sports car that holds on to British roots while embracing a new era of automotive tech. I hope to get one on the channel very soon for a review, so if you've bought one or are a supplying dealer and you want to see it featured, drop me an email in the description below. Also, if you've liked this video, be sure to give it a like, click subscribe and click the bell icon to always get notified whenever I load up new content. In the meantime, why don't you check out some of the other videos I filmed in Paris up here. Thanks for watching, I'm Max, this is Max Talks, and I'll see you on the next one.